Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this super refreshing smoothie. First things first, let's go over the ingredients we'll need. Let's start with our sweet and juicy mango. We slice it like this. Make some cuts with a knife and then scoop it out with a spoon. Next up, pineapple. Cut off the bottom, then chop it into small pieces just like this. Now this fruit is pure magic. Yep, you guessed it, strawberries. Chop them up and set them aside. Now for our sweet watermelon. Slice it up like this and don't forget to remove the seeds. And of course we're adding blueberries to the mix. All of these fruits have been in the freezer for about 2 hours. Now let's toss them into the blender one by one. I'm saying this to remind you that I washed my hands before putting the fruits in the blender. And blend them really well until smooth and creamy. Guess what? And boom, our summer smoothie is ready. Pour it into your glass and enjoy. Get ready for more fun recipes coming soon. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and let me know in the comment if you loved this smoothie.